Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys hide notch setting in a poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you unhide your notch. As you can see guys, this notch setting as you want to unhide. So as you can unhide, and guys now let's see how to unhide this guys you notch in our poco phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to unhide guys? First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your notification and control center. So guys tap here and guys click on this status bar and guys click on guys this hide notes. So as you can see this hide with status bar, and guys you want to unhide mean don't hide. So guys tap here to don't hide. So guys your phone notes will unhide. So you can use guys your you notch. So I hope friends you have understood how to unhide notch in our poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.